Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Praveen and you are watching Techie Praveen. So in the previous video, we have talked about what is for loop, and in this video, we're going to talk about what is while loop. So let's get started. So this is the basic syntax of a while loop. Uh, this is a while loop in which we are providing the condition, and if the condition is true, it will run some code to be executed when the condition of while is true, and then your increment or decrement operators, increment or decrement. This is the basic syntax of while loop. So let's take some example and which will help us to understand the while loop in a better way. So I'm giving the condition while I equals to 10, and inside this I'm just printing only I, print I, and giving the increment I plus plus. I equals to I plus 1 or I plus plus, both are same. So here I am giving variable I equals to 0. Perfect. Let's run this code. So basically what this code is going to do is it will give us the number from 0 to 9. Why 9? Because we have given the condition I is lesser than 10. If I put equals to, then the condition becomes I is always lesser than or equals to 10. So it will give the answer. It will give the value from 0 to 10. See, 0 to 10. Right now, I'm just going to give another condition, like if I want even number in between 0 to 10. So I'm giving one if condition. I is percentile 2 is equal to 0, means if a number is completely divisible by 2 and the remainder will always be 0, then the number is an even number. This is the condition of an even number. So basically I have divided I from 2, and if the answer is the remainder is 0, then the number will always be a even number. So it will give the number from 0 to 10. It will always give you a even number. Perfect. So now this is only for this video. I hope you like the video and you like my channel. If you understand each and everything in a very easy manner, if I'm able to tell you, or if I'm able to teach you everything in a very easy manner, please do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. And if you are facing any issue in Dart or any other programming language, please let me know in the comment section. I will always try to give you answer as soon as possible. Thank you.